U.S. stock futures inched up today, hinting at a recovery on Wall Street after 2 consecutive days of losses. Investors are digesting the minutes from the July 25th to 26th Fed meeting, in which it became clear that the policymakers are not as unanimous in their hawkish outlook as they had appeared. Nevertheless, the majority of the committee emphasized that further tightening could be required, driving the dollar index and U.S. bond yields upwards. Oil prices bounced back from 2-week lows despite worries of a weakening Chinese economy and the possibility of more interest rate hikes from the Fed. A strong dollar is also putting pressure on oil prices, but OPEC Plus cuts and the U.S. inventory dip is supporting the commodity's upward movement. Walmart reported second quarter earnings today with a revenue of $161.6 billion, coming in above expectations of $159.76 billion. Revenue grew 5.7% compared to the same quarter last year, while operating income grew by 6.7%. EPS came in as $1.84, also beating the forecast of $1.69. The retail giant raised its 2024 full-year guidance to reflect the second-year upside. Cisco Systems reported fiscal fourth quarter results of $1.14 EPS and $15.2 billion revenue, beating expectations of $1.06 and $15.05 billion respectively. While the company's shares initially traded lower after hours on their weaker-than-expected sales forecast, the losses were erased and shares are now trading higher due to management's upbeat comments during their earnings call. As Phillip Capital Team, we wish you happy and healthy days.